Sometimes we forgot that the big change starts with one small step. Like Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. And I truly believe that. I'm not perfect. I've doubted myself. I've been afraid to fail. But every time I take a step forward, I realize God opened a path through the knowledge I seek. Here I am, learning more than theories. I'm learning value, character, and purpose. Institute Agama Islam Sebi isn't just a university. It's a place where I grew up, discover myself, and prepare for my future. As Rumi once said, what you seek is seeking you. And I choose to keep seeking and keep moving forward. Institute Agama Islam Sebi, step with knowledge, grow with meaning.